Hey! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi 10 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this smartphone. Start by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Now you need to type DevCheck. So sorry, a typo. And download this free app from this developer. Following that, just open it. Thanks to this app, you can find out all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!